Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks.
Ethanal to 3-hydroxybutanal. First we can write the reactant and product. What is ethanal? CH3CHO, right? And what is 3-hydroxybutanal? CH3CHOH CH2CHO. Before start writing the conversion, make a strategy to follow. See here, if you check the product, you can see CHO group, okay, right? And OH group. If CHO group and OH group is there in product, 99.99% the question is about aldol condensation. And remember, for aldol condensation, what is the reagent? Dilute NaOH, that you keep in mind, okay? Okay, so we can check, okay? So we start with what? CH3CHO, correct? So this is the first molecule of ethanal. See, I am using another molecule of ethanal, okay? So CH3, same ethanal, okay? CH3CHO. Now you remember how aldol condensation take place, right? See, this bond shift towards here, that become what? That become negative, this become plus. Okay, now this bond shift towards here, hydrogen become plus, carbon become negative. Now oxygen take this H plus, right? Okay, so what you will get? You will be getting like CH3, C plus, okay, C plus is there, keep it there. Now that O minus take that hydrogen. Okay, already there is a hydrogen on carbon. Now the C plus and the C minus make a bond, correct? Now on that carbon you can see 2 hydrogen and then CHO. That is our product, right? 3-hydroxybutanal. Hope you understand. So what is the hint? If you see aldehyde group or ketone group with OH group in the product, see, mostly 99.99 case, what should be that? The question is about aldol condensation, cross or self. Okay. I forgot to put NaOH. Aldol condensation happens in the presence of NaOH. Okay, NaOH. That is very, very important.